Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to change your replica's personality. To change your replica's personality, first of all, open up your Replika application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're inside, go ahead and tap on the replica's name at the top of the screen, and then from this page, scroll down and get to the Traits tab. Tap the arrow right next to Traits, and then you will find a list of personality traits you can choose from on the next page. Select the traits you would like your replica to have. Some of the traits out there will require you to spend some gems, whereas some of the traits will require you to spend some coins. The amount of gems and coins will be listed right underneath the traits. Select one of the traits you want your replica to have and then click on the Buy button at the bottom. Soon after you do that, you will be able to add a new trait for your replica. Make sure that the trait is enabled, and once it is, you can get back to the home page. Your replica will now start chatting with you in the new tone or mood. Once you get back to the chat screen, say hello again and you'll notice changes in how your replica replies based on the new personality traits you've chosen. So that's how you can easily change your replica's personality. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.